Alright, so first we have a folder of images. I have saved different images which we would like to use, and most of them are in the PNG or SVG format, and only the profile pictures are in the JPEG format. Then we have three files: CSS, HTML and JS for JavaScript. So I advise you to create those three empty files together with the images you would like to have inside of the website. So when ready, we'll start structuring the website. Okay, so we'll be using custom fonts for the heading and here on the title of the website. So let's see how we can get them. We're talking about Open Sans. So first we go to fonts google.com and then we type Open Sans, and this is our font. We can select this font, and here on the selection we just grab the link how we can import it into our index file. Next we go to the index file, which is empty, and just paste the link here. Of course it will be within our HTML and head section. Next we have to do the same for the font awesome. We're using font awesome for those icons here, the profile icons and also the social media icons on the bottom. And so we go to get started section of the fontawesome.com, and then we have directly a link which we can copy and paste into our site. Once we have those files, we can test if they work. Within the body section we can just type one paragraph, and we type hello. We can also style it a little bit. We'll give Open Sans as a font family. This is just a test to see if those files are loading correctly and can be used within our HTML. Now we go to this new folder when we created. It's a working folder with the empty index of HTML file. We are loading it, and we can see that we are using the Open Sans font. We can also remove it, and we see that the font changes. Once we are ready with this, we'll start coding the next sections of the website. This means that we have to have here a link to our internal CSS file. So we'll just type it link rel equals to style sheet and a type of text CSS, and then we point to our CSS file. Once we are ready with this, we can type, for example, here one style in our CSS file, for example background green, and after we save the files we just refresh and see that our CSS file has been loading correctly, so we can start writing styles inside. We'll add a meta tag so the user doesn't have to zoom out or in order to see the images or the text in the phone, and this can be handled automatically by the phone. So we can do this with this tag. We are targeting the mobile devices, and we are telling them just to zoom in the content inside of the website.